Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add pop-up text in Wix. Pop-ups are incredibly useful for capturing visitor attention, whether you're promoting a special offer, building your email list, or simply welcoming new visitors to your site. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in and get your pop-up set up. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu. Here you'll find an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on that, and a drop-down selection will appear showing you different options. From this drop-down, go ahead and click on Website. This takes you into the specific settings for your website, where you can manage all the elements and features. From this page, you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is indeed the website where you wish to add a pop-up text. It's always good to double-check, especially if you manage multiple sites through your Wix account. Once you've confirmed you're working on the right site, you're ready to move forward. Now locate the Design Site button, which you'll find on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on Design Site to proceed. This button is your gateway to the full customization tools Wix offers, allowing you to design and modify every aspect of your website's appearance. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens and where you have complete control over your site's layout and content. From here, locate the Add Element button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This button opens up a world of possibilities for customizing your site with various elements. The Add Element menu will expand, and you'll see a comprehensive list of all the elements you can use and add to your website to fully customize it. Scroll through this list until you locate the Interactive section. Under the Interactive section, you'll see the pop-ups element. This is exactly what we need. You'll notice different types of pop-ups listed, such as welcome, subscribe, promotion, and contact type pop-ups. Simply select the one that best fits your needs and drag it onto your website canvas. The drag and drop functionality makes placement incredibly intuitive. Now click on the pop-up element you just added to begin customizing its content. You can change the text, colors, images, and overall design to match your brand and message. To adjust the trigger settings, which control when and how your pop-up appears, click on the Set Triggers menu located on the top part of the pop-up element. From here, you can set a name for your pop-up, which helps you keep track of it if you create multiple pop-ups later on. Next, adjust the display settings and set the page where you want the pop-up to appear. You can choose to show it on all pages or just specific ones. Then set the delay before it pops up. This delay is important because you don't want to overwhelm visitors the instant they land on your page. A few seconds delay often works best. You can also set a schedule for when the pop-up should be active, giving you control over time-based promotions or announcements. Finally, decide how you wish this pop-up to close, either with an X icon or a close button. Simply toggle the one you wish to use, and your pop-up configuration is complete. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a pop-up text element on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.